Hey guys, it's the pools guys. Here water pools. In Kawasan Falls in Balilihan before. But guys, it's very hot. It's very nice. Yes, nice. Very nice. Yes. There in the shadow, huh? Little bit. Yes. Only here the shadow. Wow, look. You take shower?
Deep, I think.
Lalong na siya. Lalong? You can dive also. That's so high.